Okay, some kind of a strange anomaly on the horizon here. I'm going to zoom in. One more. It's been there for hours. Thought it was a cop light. And then I saw other lights around it. Look at there. And it's changing colors in the same spectrum. And it changes position slightly. Now I'm taking this through a glass window. I'm sorry guys, it's too cold. I'm not going out. And I'm at the right height here in the house window. Now there's a star there. I'm going to go back to regular zoom. You can't see that. Even at 1, go to 1. That I assume is a star. This thing? Fuck, I don't know what I'm looking at. In the same spectrum. Red, yellow, blue. I think that's a star beside it. See if I can go zoom even more. Is that like those drones in New Jersey? I don't know. It doesn't seem to be moving around too much. I'm trying to hold my camera still. That's a first though, for this area. We live in the middle of nowhere, in the ocean. Look at how it changes rhythm. Like if it was a cop's light reflection. I don't know. Maybe somebody up on a hill close to the horizon has some kind of a funky LED, thinks it's a disco. I don't know. But it's freaking me out a bit. What? Look at, did you see that? I didn't. That is different. It changed. Just as I said that. Change again. Move. Let's see you move. See if these things can read our mind, like they said in New Jersey. You're a UFO, you move right now. You move, bitch, get out the way. Well, it did change light patterns, look at, and it went out. It changed shapes. Oh man. I got that on film. Yeah. Oh, it just turned into a star, yellow star. Now it's white. Yeah. Anybody can explain that one? Let me know.